तो गाइस सांता दुर्गा टेम्पल के बाद हम लोग जा रहे हैं पोंडा फोर्ट पे, छत्रपति शिवाजी फोर्ट पे। तो यहाँ से ज़्यादा दूर नहीं है, बस आपको 15 मिनट्स लगेगा और आप पोंडा फोर्ट पहुँच सकते हैं। तो गाइस हम आए अभी शिवाजी फोर्ट पे और गाइस मैं आपको यहाँ का व्यू दिखाती हूँ। ये हिल फोर्ट में है, तो आपको थोड़ा सा चढ़ना पड़ेगा ऊपर जाने के लिए, ऊपर का व्यू देखने के लिए। लेकिन जैसे ही आप ऊपर चढ़ोगे वैसे ही यहाँ के व्यू इतनी अमेजिंग है कि आप भूल जाओगे कि आपको ऊपर चढ़ने में थोड़ी परेशानी हुई थी। So guys, this fort is located in Farmaguri village, which is near Ponda, that is in Goa. So it's nearby Ponda, so it is also known as Ponda Fort. So guys, this fort also had some historical moments, so let us discuss briefly. First of all, in 16th century, that was Muslim era. In that time, this fort was built by Adil Shahi kingdom, and they wanted a defense against the ever-expanding Portuguese empire. After that, in 1665 AD, a Maratha rebel leader within Bijapur, Chhatrapati Shivaji, led a failed raid on the fort. And the fort was badly damaged due to the bombardment. Shivaji tried again, this time successfully, to capture the fort on later conquest in 1675. In 1783, the fort, along with the rest of the Novas Conquista's regions, was ceded to the Portuguese by the Maratha kingdom of Santwari under Ramchandra Savant Bhosle, as they needed assistance against their rival Sambhaji of the kingdom of Kolhapur. The Indian government took control of the fort after 1961 and renovated it into a park in 1977. During this time, a statue of Shivaji was erected by Sasikala Kakodar of the Maharashtrawadi Komantak Party. The present structure is a modern reconstruction on this location and converted into a park. In 2017, the lower walls of the fort had collapsed due to neglect and also due to use of poor quality materials during previous renovation, that was in 1977. The original structure was constructed of stone and mud and left bare. The new structure contains stones, concrete, and is plastered and painted red. So guys, that's all about this Chhatrapati Shivaji Fort or Ponda Fort, and I hope that you like this video. And if you like this video, then please give thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, which is Osmosis Priya, and stay tuned because lots of travel vlogs are going to come soon. सो मैं मिलती हूँ आप लोगों के साथ अपने नेक्स्ट वीडियो के साथ। टिल देन, बाय बाय, टेक केयर एंड डोंट फॉरगेट टू टेक द प्रिकॉशंस, स्टे सेफ।